Testing if my fidgets float or sink in the pool. Okay, first let's try this dimple. It floats. Next is this snapper. Oh shoot, it's sinking. It's sunk. Guys, I need to get it out. Okay, guys, I had to go back for my waterproof case, and now I have to go get the snapper. Okay, guys, I'm going in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It cut off, but I'm gonna go for it again. Okay, guys, I got it out. Now let's try the next fidget. Next is this Orbeez stress ball. It floats. Now let's try a plastic pop-it.
Oh my
It
gosh,
floats. Guys, let's go get some more fidgets. It's burning. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go for it. Next is this mini pop-it. It floats. Oh my gosh, I got it. Okay, next is this wacky track. It floats. Now a popped globble. It floats. Guys, we have to get more fidgets again. We're going back in. Okay, let's try this Orbeez stress ball. It sunk! Next, the dimple digits. It floats. A pop-it. It floats. Now this dimple digits. It floats. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this simple dimple in again because I just want to go for it. 3, 2, 1. Guys, comment if we should do a part 2.